Hi! Hi! Today we're going to learn how to read words. Words that start with the letter friend. So let's start with the letter friend A or A. The sound of the letter A is A, A, A. A, A, A. The first word is axe. Axe. That is an axe. Next, ant. Ant. That is an ant. Next, apple. Apple. That is an apple. Next, arrow. Arrow. That is an arrow. Next letter is the letter B. The letter B says b, 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 b. The first word is bat. Bat. That is a bat. Next, bag. Bag. That is a bag. Next, bed. Bed. That is a bed. And the last one is bib. Bib. That is a bib. Next letters. The letter C. The letter C says k, 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 k. The first word is a cat. Cat. That is a cat. Next, cup. Cup. That is a cup. Corn. Corn. That is a corn. Candy. Candy. That is a candy. The next letter is the letter D. The letter D says D, 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 D. Dog. Dog. That is a dog. Dot. Dot. That is a dot. Duck. Duck. That is a duck. Dipper. Dipper. That is a dipper. Good job. Let's now go to the next. The letter E. The letter E says e, 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 e. Egg, egg. That is an egg. Elf, elf. That is an elf. Exit, exit. That is an exit. Envelope, envelope. That is an envelope. Yes. Next letter is the letter F. The letter F says f, 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 f. That is a fan. Fan, fan. That is a fan. Fish, fish. That is a fish. Fox, fox. That is a fox. Four, four. That is a four. Okay, next. Letter G. G, the letter G says G, 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 G. Gum, 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 gum. That is a gum. That is a girl. Girl, girl, g, g, girl. Gift, gift. That is a gift. G, gas, gas. That is a gas. Next letter is the letter H. Letter H says hat, hat. That is a hat. Hug, hug. That is a hug. Ham, ham. That is a ham. Hip, hip. That is a hip. Good job. Next set of letters. Letter I. Letter I says I, 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 I. Ink, ink. That is an ink. Igloo, igloo. That is an igloo. Indian, Indian. That is an Indian. Iguana, iguana. That is an iguana. Next, the letter J. The letter J. J, 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 J. Jam, jam, that is a jam. Jar, jar, that is a jar. Jelly, jelly, that is a jelly. Jug, jug, that is a jug. Good job! Very good. Next, next. Letter K. K, 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 K. Keg, keg, that is a keg. King, king, that is a king. Kite, kite, that is a kite. Kiss, kiss, that is a kiss. The letter L. Next is the letter L. Letter L. L, 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 L. Log, log, L, L, log. That is a log. Lamp, lamp. That is a lamp. L, ladder, ladder. That is a ladder. Lemon, lemon. That is a lemon. Very good. Now let's go to the letter M. Letter M says mm, mat, mat. That is a mat. Mug, mug. That is a mug. Milk, milk. That is a milk. Mask, mask. That is my mask. Mm. Next is the letter N. Mm, sound of the letter N. Mm. Nut, nut. Those are nuts. None, none. That is a nun. Neck, neck. This is my neck. Needle, needle. That's mommy's needle. Very good. Okay, you can follow after me, huh? All right, next is the letter O. The letter O says O, O, O. Ox, ox. That is an ox. Or onion, onion. That is an onion. Orange, orange. Those are oranges. O, O, octopus, octopus. That is an octopus. Very good. Next, the letter P. P, 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 P. Pan, pan. That is a pan. Pig, pig. That is a pig. Pot, pot. That is a pot. Pad, pad. That is a pad. Good job. Good job. You're going to follow me after me, okay? All right, now let's go to the letter Q. The letter Q says quill, quill. That is a quill. Quail, quail. That is a quail bird. Queen, queen. That is a queen. Quilt, quilt. That is a quilt. All right. Go, go, go. Next, the letter R. The letter R says r, r, r. Rat, rat. That is a rat. Ring, ring. That is my ring. Rattle, rattle. That is baby's rattle. Red, red. That is the color red. Okay, now let's go to the next set. Ready, get set. Ready, get set. The letter S. The letter S says s, sun, sun. That is the sun. Six, six. That is the number six. Seven, seven. That is the number seven. Sock, sock. That is my sock. I have only one sock. I don't know where the other one is. It's missing. Next letter is the letter T. The letter T says t, 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 t. 10, 10. That's the number 10. Tap, tap. Oh, there's water in the tap. Tent, tent. We will build a tent. Top, top. Let's play a top. All right. Let's now go to the next set of letters. The letter U and the letter V. The letter U says uh, under, under, uh. Where is the cat? It's under the table. Uh, uh. Umbrella. That is your umbrella. Uh, uh. Underwear. That's my underwear? Okay. Uh, uh. Uncle. That is your uncle. Uncle, uncle. All right. Now let's go to the letter V. The letter V says vroom, 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 vroom. Van, van. That is a van. Vinta, vinta. That is a colorful vinta. V, vest, vest. I have a vest. V, vine, vine. I got lots of plants with vines. All right, now let's go to the second to the last set of letters. The letter W. The letter W says wig, wig. That is your wig. Wag, wag. The dog's tail is wagging. Wag, 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 wag. Well, well. That is a well. What is in the well? Water. Okay. W w window, window. That is our window. All right. The next letter is the letter X. The letter X says x, 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 x. Like in box, 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 box. Listen to the x sound. X, x, fox, 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 fox. Next, wax, 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 wax. X, x, X-ray, X-ray, X-ray. Okay, so be careful with the sound of the letter X because it says X. Actually, another sound of the letter X is s. It has different sound. No, it has another sound like the letter S sound. So you say xylophone, but we're dealing here with the real. I mean, the real sound of the letter X. I'm not saying that is not the real sound because there are other sounds of the letter X. Okay, so let's have the X. All right. So let's now go to the last letter. Okay, the letter Y. The letter Y. The letter Y says ye, 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 yak, yak. That is a yak. Yum, yum. That is a yum. Yo-yo, yo-yo. That is a yo-yo. Yacht, yacht. That is a yacht. And the last letter is the letter Z. The letter Z says Z, 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 Z. Zebra, zebra. That is a zebra. Z, zero, zero. I don't like zero. Z, Z, zipper, zipper. That is your zipper. Z, zoo, zoo. Let's go to the zoo. Okay. So we're done with the sounds. We're done reading the words according to the letter friends. I'll see you on my next video. Bye for now.